Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to enable dark mode on WhatsApp. So if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my phone. Now I'll go to WhatsApp and over here you can find this is my WhatsApp interface. Now to turn on dark mode, on the top you'll find these three dots. Tap on this and now go to this settings. And over here you can find chats. Tap on this and over here under this display here is theme. Just tap on this and now you can select light or dark. Now to turn on dark mode just tap on this dark and now tap on this OK. And now you can see dark mode is activated on WhatsApp. So in this way we can turn on dark mode on WhatsApp. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.